Hi, Soren. Hi, Hazel. Hi, Ellie. I hope you guys are having a great day. For small group today, we're going to talk about heavy and light. Some things that are heavy. Let's try to think about this. What's something that's heavy in your house? Think of something heavy. I'm trying to think of something in my house that's heavy. How about a chair? A chair is heavy, right? What about something light? What feels light? Like a pencil, right? A pencil could be something really light. It's not heavy. It's easy to pick up, right? Heavy would mean it's really hard to pick up. You really have to use your strong muscles to pick it up. So in your packet, you're going to have a piece of paper that looks like this. And it says at the very top, next to the penguin, it says, color the heavy object. So this thing right here, it looks like a ramp, but it's actually called a balance. It shows us if they were the same, if one was heavy, if they were both the same, both heavy or both light, this line right here, this balance, would be all the same. It would be a line that was straight across. But as you can see on this line at the top, it goes down, right? So it's not. One is heavier than the other. So I'm going to show you my balance that I have here at school. Okay, this is our balance we have at school. And I'll put my camera down so you can see it. Okay, so this is called a balance. So see how it's the same? They're both the same because it's not. They both have the same thing on it. But if I took this off, see how it goes down? This is heavier. Whatever goes down is heavy and whatever stays up is light. So I'm going to show you something. I'm going to put in a block. Let's put in this block, this red block. I'll put it in this side. And then I'll put a marker in this side. What do we think? Ooh, that's a tricky one. They're almost the same. What if I added another block? Let's see which one's heavier. So remember, heavy goes down and light stays up, right? So the marker is lighter than the blocks. Okay, so let's look at that first picture together. We have a picture of a snowman and a picture of a cup. Which one is up and which one is down? The snowman is down and the cup is up. So the snowman is heavy or heavier than the cup. So we need to color the picture that's heavy. And remember, heavy is down. So which one do we color? Which one's heavy? The snowman, right? So you're going to take some crayons or markers or whatever you have to color your snowman. And I'm just going to color mine really quick so I can show you some other objects. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to color the heavy one. So I colored my snowman because it's heavy. And I'm not going to color the cup because that one's light. Okay, so let's find some other objects. I'll show you with my balance. I have some more fun things to try with the balance. So let me put that down. What if I put in the marker and the pencil? You can tell too, you could feel it. If you have things at home, you could try this at home with just your hands. One is heavy, one is heavy, this one's heavy, this one's light. Like you could try to do that. Remember, light goes up and heavy goes down. Sorry, I dropped that. So I'm going to try the pencil in this side and I'm going to try the marker in the other side. Let's see, what do we think? Which one looks like it's down more? See this side, how it's going down more? So which one's heavier? Is the marker heavy or is the pencil heavy? Which one is down? The marker, right? The marker is heavy. Let's try another one. Let's find some more fun things. So this is a tricky one because you're not here at school with me. But if you were to feel these monkeys, they're quite heavy. They're much heavier than you think. They look like they're light, but it's actually quite heavy. So I'm going to use that. And this toy, it's called a thistle block. And this one, you're not here at school to feel it either, but it's very light. So my guess is that this monkey is going to be heavy and this is going to be light. But I'm going to try it out. I'll put this one in this side and then the monkey in this side. Let's see if I was right. Which one's up? Which one's down? The monkey, right? The monkey was heavier. That was my guess. That's called predicting. Can you say predicting? Predicting. I predicted the monkey was heavy, and it was, right? Let me try out another one. I have a really big block and a pencil. And if I feel it, this one feels heavy, and this one feels light. So my guess, again, I predict that the block is going to go down and the pencil's going to stay up. Let's see this one. That one's way down. See the balance? This one's way down, right? So which one's heavy? The block, right? The block is really heavy and the pencil's really light. So let's take a look at our picture again. We're going to do it together. There's a picture of a house and a picture of some mittens. Which one is heavier? Remember, heavy is down, light is up. Yeah, you're right, the house, right? So you're going to take your pencil or crayons or whatever you want. And you can take your time coloring. And I'm just doing it quick because I'm on the computer with you. And I want to be able to do all of them with you. So I'm coloring the house because the house is the heavier one. Let's go to the next one. This one gets a little bit trickier because the line doesn't go as long. But let's see. There's a picture of a sled and a picture of a scarf. Which one's up and which one's down? The scarf is up and the sled is down. So heavy is down. So which one is heavy? Sled. And the scarf is light. So we're going to color the sled, right? We'll color that one together because that one's heavy. And the last one on our picture is a picture of a shovel and a picture of a snowflake. A snowflake, do you think that's light or heavy? If you were to hold a snowflake and it fell from the sky, can you even feel it? No, right? It's so light you can hardly feel it. And a shovel would be pretty heavy. So as you can see on the line is going down this way because the shovel is heavier than the snowflake. So you need to color the picture of the shovel. So that's the last thing on our paper. And then you could maybe make your own. You could draw a picture, I'll show you, on the back. You could make a line like this, like you were trying to draw an X. You could make a line and think of something that's heavy and something light. So something light, you could draw a picture up here of something light and a picture of something down here, something heavy. You could make your own balance, right? With just making a line, a picture of a line. Let's do one more on our balance before I go. I'm going to show you a magnifying glass. A magnifying glass. It's kind of heavy, but not super heavy. So I'm not really sure if this one's going to be as heavy as my, where is it? My glue stick. My glue stick. So let me try it out. I want you to see which one you think. So you tell me, do you think this one's heavier, the magnifying glass, or the glue stick? Okay, let's try it out. I'm going to try the magnifying glass first and put it in here. And then I'm going to put the glue stick on this side. What happens? Which one's down? The magnifying glass, right? And the glue stick is up. So the magnifying glass is heavy and the glue stick is light. So that's something you guys could do around your house at home. You could try to find things that are heavy and things that are light, and then you could put them in piles. You could put a pile of some things that are heavy and a pile of some things that are light. Okay? I hope you guys have a great day and get outside. It's nice out. I will see you soon. Bye, boys and girls.